Number 1. The 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced $49,900. This 1971 Chevelle Pro Street is powered by a freshly built 498-stroked big block V8 engine. The drivetrain includes a TH400 automatic transmission with a trans brake. The car is fully caged and tubbed, designed for performance. It comes equipped with wheelie bars and a trunk spoiler. Sold with a clean California title and current registration, the seller is moving out of state and open to offers. Located in Rancho Santa Margarita, California. Number 2. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced $65,004. This 1957 Bel Air Pro Street was originally a California drag car raced at Lyons Drag Strip and later converted for street use. It is powered by a 355 small block V8 with a 671 blower, paired with a HU Turbo 350 transmission and gear vendors overdrive. The drivetrain features a rebuilt Dana 60 rear end with 3.73 gears. The exhaust system is stainless steel, and the body is described as all metal with clean paintwork. The interior is simple but functional. The seller states that the car is used for cruising and car meets, though it remains capable of delivering strong performance. No trades. Located in Brewster, Massachusetts. Number 3. The 1971 GMC pickup, priced $30,000. This 1971 GMC Pro Street is powered by a 468 big block V8 engine, paired with a new automatic transmission and stall converter. The truck sits on a 4-link rear suspension with a Ford 9-inch rear end and 4.88 gears, while the front features coilovers and disc brakes. It has new wheels and tires, a refreshed interior, and a Bluetooth radio. Built for cruising, the truck is being offered for sale or trade for a side-by-side vehicle, Camaro, Mopar, Nova, or other Pro Street vehicles, but no project cars. Located in Copper Hill, Virginia. Number 4. The 1964 Chevrolet Nova, priced $30,000. This 1964 Nova is a street-legal NHRA-certified build. The car retains full carpet, headliner, and door panels with new glass front and rear, while the side windows are Lexan. The exterior is finished in black with blue ghost flames, complemented by new bumpers and a billet grille. The chassis features a Church Boys racing rack and pinion conversion, frame brace, and control arms with QA1 shocks at all 4 corners. Stopping power comes from Willwood rear disc brakes and aerospace components front disc brakes with cross-drilled rotors all around. It sits on Weld racing wheels wrapped in Mickey Thompson ET Street R tires, 325 by 50 by 15. The Ford 9-inch rear end is equipped with 4.30 gears. The drivetrain consists of a blueprint engine small block Chevy 396 stroker, originally rated at 491 horsepower and 59 lb-ft of torque, but upgraded with an 871 blower, a bigger cam, and better heads. The Holley 750 horsepower carburetors are tuned for E85, while AFR aluminum heads, Poker Super Competition headers, and a 3-inch aluminized exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers complete the setup. Other upgrades include a high-torque mini-starter, PowerMaster alternator, MSD ignition components, and an Aeromotive fuel system. The TH350 automatic transmission is equipped with a TCI transmission shield, deep cooling pan, dual aluminum heat sink coolers, and a Hurst racing shifter with integrated line lock and NOS buttons. Located in F, Alabama. Number 5. The 1974 Dodge Dart, priced $35,000. This 1974 Dart is powered by a 383 big block topped with a Littlefield 671 blower. The setup includes Edelbrock 650 carburetors, an electric water pump, and a full 3-inch exhaust system routed through Hooker fender well headers. Power is sent to an 8 3/4 rear end with a 4.88 spool and 35 spline axles. The car sits on brand new Weld Magnum wheels with all new rubber, featuring 15 by 4 fronts and massive 15 by 15 rears with 31 by 18.2 by 15 tires. The suspension is upgraded with Cal track bars and split monoleaf springs. A built 727 transmission with a reverse valve body transfers power to the rear wheels via an aluminum driveshaft. Additional features include a dual battery setup, an aluminum fuel cell, and a race-ready chassis. The seller is asking $35,000 cash or considering trades valued around $40,000. Trade interests include classic Chevrolets, 57 Chevy Impala SS, Nova SS, Chevy 2 Nova, Chevelle, diesel pushers, and other Pro Street or blower-equipped vehicles. Located in Marin, Ohio. Number 6. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Priced $35,000, this 1968 Camaro street strip retains its original steel body panels except for the hood. The stock interior dash and original roll-up glass windows remain intact, making it a blend of street usability and drag performance. Power comes from a 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet with a roller cam, poly dominator carburetor, and long tube headers. A turbo 400 transmission with a manual valve body and trans brake powers a Dana 60 rear end with 4.11 gears and billet axles. The suspension includes a 4-link rear setup with coilovers, while braking is handled by Willwood front disc brakes and rear drums. It rides on billet specialties wheels with 15 by 4 fronts and massive 15 by 15 rears wrapped in 33 by 195 by 15 tires. All lights are functional, and the car is street-driven with a clean title. The seller is asking $35,000 and is open to trades involving a late-model skid steer plus cash. Located in Jackson, New Jersey. Number 7. The 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado Square Body LS Swap 6.04 L80. Priced $24,000, this 1986 Chevy S10 is a street strip build featuring an SNW chassis back half with coilovers up front. Although it hasn't been to the track yet, it has been street-driven and is equipped with a 468 big block Chevy engine. The truck features a new 1100 CFM carburetor, new rear tires, and a working 2-step and line lock system. All gauges and electrical components are functional. The seller has included additional details in the photos. The asking price is $225,000, and the seller has a clear title. Open to trades for a 68 to 72 Nova, 68 to 69 Camaro, or similar vehicles. Located in Judsonia, Arkansas. Number 8. The 1935 Ford Coupe. Priced $55,000, this 1935 Ford is a Pro Street build, powered by a 468 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It features a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.25 gears, a 4-link suspension with coilovers, and Hoosier 31 by 18.5 by 15 tires mounted on Weld racing wheels. The coupe is equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes, a custom interior, a tilt steering column, and functional heat and AC. The steel body is complemented by fiberglass fenders and a custom aluminum grille. The seller notes a small rust spot on the passenger side near the hood. Clean Pennsylvania title in hand. No trades, serious buyers only. Located in Potone, Pennsylvania. Number 9. The 1971 Chevrolet Malibu. Priced $49,000, this is powered by a Merlin Tall Deck 632 engine with AFR heads and a 14:1 compression ratio. The car features a turbo 400 transmission with a brake and Ultra Bell by Neil Chance, along with tubular A-arms and Willwood brakes. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch with Moser axles and is equipped with 33 by 22 Mickey Thompson tires. The fuel system includes a 20-gallon aluminum fuel cell with an IND dash gauge and a Magna fuel pump. New components include a red Optima battery and new safety belts. All lights and signals are in working order. The car is being sold with the title and VIN, and the seller emphasizes it is not an SS model. Located in Cedar Springs, Michigan. Number 10. The 1984 Ford Pinto Squire Wagon. Price $18,900. This 1980 Pinto Pro Street is a custom Squire wagon equipped with a 302 race motor, paired with AC4 transmission. The car features a Curry 9-inch rear end and is upgraded with MSD ignition, headers, and a dual 450 CFM Holley carb setup on a tunnel ram. The build also includes a roll cage. According to the seller, this car is designed for street and strip performance, boasting significant upgrades for power and handling. Located in Scottsdale, Arizona. Number 11. The 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook, priced $30,000. This 1953 Cranbrook is a fully tubbed and tube-framed cruiser. It's powered by a 383-stroker engine, paired with a 350 transmission. The rear end is a 9-inch Ford with 3.50 gears. The car features Holley Sniper fuel injection, although the seller notes it may need some tuning. The previous setup included a 750 Demon carb, which is also included. This car has been a showstopper, having won a few car shows, and remains a solid, fun cruiser. Located in Waco, Texas. Number 12. The 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, priced $27,900. This 1984 Chevy Camaro is powered by a small block Chevy engine featuring a 671 BDS blower. It's equipped with a Ford 9-inch rear end and 4.11 gears. The car contains the factory dash and comes with T-tops. The seller notes it has a cage and pinned door bars. The rear tires are 18.5 inches, and the front tires are skinnies. The car runs on pump gas and is described as spotless. The seller is asking $322,500 or will consider trade offers. Located in Manuka, Illinois.